This is a CoverStitch machine with a side binder for this kind of type of work, where you do sleeves or you do necks or whatever, back and forth. You can also eliminate that and make it a regular CoverStitch up and down, or 1/8 or 1/4. So right now it's set up for a bias, as you see, binders sitting with the tape, and that's gonna do the job of putting the tape on. You're gonna put this in here, and it's up and down CoverStitch, as you see the machine. Very smooth working, beautiful machine, back and forth. Thank you very much from Atlaslevy Sewing Machine Company. The machine is in excellent, brand new conditions. All right, here you go. Very high speed machine, up and down CoverStitch.